Okay, where's easy? Yes, easy. All right. The first thing is that these flashing flashing things, right, should actually be there should be a button here that I can move to the next one, because earlier on I found that they didn't flash properly. And also, can you please do this alignment properly? I mean, these Y should be aligned with the W here. We can move to the next one. And then everything we click on this web page should be opening up a new tab. It shouldn't be, because I want people to be able to refer back easier. Here again, it's not aligned, see? And we should always look at this when doing our websites, okay? Then the other thing is, this thing here is too much, too noisy, too chaotic, right? So these things here are not so important. Move it down. They don't need to be on the first screen when people sign up, log in. So here, don't say sign up for free. For me, sign up means I'm subscribing to something. So, and then I'll get junk mail and all that. So, proceed to survey probably is a thing. Then on here should be the button on here would be video, to show how easy it is, how easy EZY it is, and then have a button here to play the video, which we're going to make to show how easy it is to do this, right? So I'm going on to the sign up for free. So I key in my name here. I got it all done here already. Account, and then survey name. I don't know whether we do need a survey name. Here again, I have to defer to opinion of others, but I just find that any additional field I have to key in, it's just additional work. So confirm. So now when we come to here, this part is it's not nicely laid out, so it's quite messy. So I think select participants data, choose file and all that, download template. Takes a little bit of effort. I don't know whether you can make it a little bit more easier, but anyway, I'll choose the file now. I prepared a simple one here. I think it's now when I click on it, doesn't say anything. Okay, there's nothing here. So try again. Shall I try again? Choose file. Click on this. Okay, fine. So, but it's not very obvious. I think there should be a bit more obvious indication that the file has been loaded. Then the next one is select email contents. Welcome message and email contents. I don't see why there should be two things. Actually, you know what? I have loaded up here now. I don't know. I can't delete. I can't. No file chosen. Okay, fine. So I don't see why we need a welcome message and an email content. So there should be no welcome message. There should be just an email going out telling them about the survey, right? So so I'm going to click on the template. So it's not about my idea was that there should be a template that people can just kind of edit, but it appears here that somebody could have prepared the template and then upload it, right? Now here again, try to make this as easy as possible. So I mean, we don't need to put this here, because this should be extracted from the file that we loaded up with the participants, right? So I think we shouldn't, because I mean, for the person doing this inclination, they shall I key in something here, right? And then here to edit whatever. Now here here can you give the opportunity here to load a signature, email signature? All right, and then don't do this reminder email. Anyway, there's a typo here. I think we don't put it in the same email here, reminder and then confirmation. I don't think we need to mention confirmation at all. If people have done the survey, there should be the email going back to them and say thank you and all that, and we don't need the client to actually know about this, at least not initially. So the reminder email, if at all, you put it onto another feature, another kind of function here, you know, or a reminder email is only sent after they have done the survey and they want to then check. They can then do a reminder email for those who haven't submitted, right? Choose as soon as the account is confirmed, click here. So I'll do it immediately. And again, back here is don't sign up for free, you know. Proceed with survey. Proceed with survey, there should be. And again, just to remind you all that whenever we click on any part of this, it should appear in a new tab. Okay, so again, similar for here. Oh, welcome message, choose file. Okay, so I will choose, in that case I will attempt to do this. So you see what I have to do is now I'm going to delete everything else. See, so you see this is not practical, right? I'm going to delete everything else, delete, and then I got to have, so I'm not going to put anything else here. Let's say I add here, this is a test. Let's see what I can. No, I can't add, I can't change anything. I have to click on enable editing. So again, this is not a feature, this shouldn't be the case. I could delete, but I cannot. Oh, here I couldn't. So we have to disable that enable editing feature, otherwise it's just an additional sense of irritation. So this will be added in. This is a test. Okay, then I save it. Okay, then I go back to here and I then choose a file, right? Welcome message, choose a file. So let me choose a file, then one. Okay, all right, it's done. So now I save it and go forward. Let's see here. I mean, this is a stupid nonsense thing, right? So no file chosen, then sign up for free. Okay, let's try that now. So yeah, again, all this should appear on a new tab, so people can go back if they want to. All right, that's it, done. So now what do I do? Pause.